Hey everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So today is the day 2 of our trip in Doha, Qatar, and we are here at the Pearl Qatar. This Pearl is actually a place where people dock their yachts over here. And you see, this is actually a boulevard that I'm walking on, and on this boulevard there are restaurants, cafes, fun stuff to do, and you can even go for a swim in these waters over here. And there's a residential area around, guys. I think whoever stays here is one of the elites in Qatar. And all these yachts are owned by all these people over here, and there are also boating tours, fishing tours as well that people do over here. And there's a banana island you can visit from here. So much to do, guys. So it's gonna be a fun vlog. I'm gonna show you everything walking on the boulevard. Have a look how this looks, and then we'll do some fun. So the Pearl Qatar that I'm standing on right now is actually an artificial island which was made in 2004. So guys, if you hear the cost of the making of this, you will be shocked. This was actually supposed to extend the coastline by 32 kilometers, but they made the Pearl Qatar only 4 kilometers, and the cost of making this full structure in 2004 it was 2.5 billion dollars. But right now, if you right now when they completed it recently, guys, the cost was about 14 billion dollars, and that is a staggering amount. And 48,000 nationals live here, and now foreign nationals can also own properties in this area. Guys, just have a look. The buildings look phenomenal with the view of the docking of these yachts, and there's a beautiful sea behind there. If we walk to that side, I'm going to show you the beach as well. So let's have fun, go to the beach. And I have my costume today as well, so if the time is right, I'm going to jump in the water. This boulevard I'm walking on also has like a walking track over here, and as you can see, the water is like crystal clear, and all these yachts look so good, guys. They also might have some rooms inside them, and I'm definitely sure they have like a small hall and a room. And these buildings that you see behind me are all residential, and some of them are actually 5-star hotels as well. And there's a very famous St. Regis over here, and I'm going to show you like the view from the top, guys, so you can see how the Pearl looks on the map, because it's a very unique structure that they have made over here. So yesterday we had gone to the Katara village. Today we are here walking on the boulevard, eat some good food, let's have fun. And we will do multiple things today, because on this there's less shopping and there's more to see, like restaurants and cafes. And if we are full, we'll just leave this place after a while. But this is something I'm going to show you everything over here, so stay tuned for everything. As I mentioned, there are a lot of foreign national people that live here, all these residential areas, and you can own properties over here now after 2018. So, and because of the World Cup, which was recently there, all these new restaurants are made over here, all multi-cuisine, Italian, Lebanese, Japanese, because people love variety. And as this is such a posh area, restaurants here are a little expensive as well. But I never see all these restaurants going empty. Everywhere people are sitting, everywhere people are eating food. And a lot of Michelin star restaurants are also over here. There are some of the best places. There's a Nobu over here. There's a lot of restaurants. There's Cipriani and all these Italian restaurants. There's Nobu is a very famous brand which is also on the Pearl Qatar, and there's this famous hotel Saint Regis right there behind me. It's a five-star hotel with private beach, and that place also has its own restaurants. So this is like a very rich country in the Middle East, and because of the World Cup and to boost tourism, guys, they have made so much new stuff over here that there's lots to see nowadays, guys. So visit Qatar if you get the chance, guys. It's lovely. One plus point is coming to Qatar is that, guys, all these places when you come inside are air conditioned, like super cold, and after that, guys, you don't feel like going outside because it's like the heat today, I don't know, is a little much, but coming inside, sitting in this air conditioner, and we're going to walk this full boulevard from the inside, and I'm going to show you later when the heat comes down a little, we'll go outside and we'll shoot that as well. But right now we are standing inside in this air conditioned place, and when you come inside, so these restaurants are over here inside, and there's outdoor seating as well. So if you want to sit somewhere today we are going to sit inside rather than being outside, guys. And have a look at all these restaurants over here. There are some multi-cuisine restaurants like pizzas and cafes and Starbucks and Tim Hortons in front of me. So have a look. So this Pearl Qatar is actually even called mini Venice over here because this place has a lot of resemblance to Venice. They have made small canals which resemble Venice. They have made these buildings colorful like yellow, red, blue, like there is in Venice as well. Made it a little old, but this is something amazing, guys. We have a canal right in front over there, so have a look, guys. So everywhere they are playing kind of Mexican music and some fun music where people would love to sit and listen to all these songs over here. And this bridge that you see is like the most resembling thing that you can find here in Qatar, which looks like Venice, guys. And the water, guys, just have a look at this water with me. It's crystal clear, not even a single piece of dirt inside, guys. Like you can see everything here. You can there's a point where you can swim also around the island over here, and there's a city center over here which has small restaurants, some coffee shops over here, and there are some amazing coffees over here. And yesterday I drank a drink called karak. I don't know what it means, guys, but it's a kind of tea that they make over here in which they can add ice creams. They can give you hot or cold karak as well. And just chilling with my parents over here, fun time right now. Let's go. Being a vlogger, when I listen to music playing around, there's only one thing I'm scared of, is a copyright strike, guys. It's very unfortunate that I have to vlog with music over here. I have to be a little louder than the music. But this place is just amazing to just sit and chill over here, and it's like all in a circle. So we have started a little far away, and now we have come like almost half a kilometer now, and we can go all the way till there. That's where we can go till, and then I think there's a beach over. in this place, just something to watch, some activities as well, cafes and restaurants, that's it. And you see a lot of foreigners over here who might be staying here because this is a good place to stay, since they have made a lot of betterments in this country. And good place to just admire all these yachts over here. And people are decking their yachts here, just sitting inside, fishing for a while. They take their boats out in the open seas and enjoy. There are also paddling tours that happen in the canal over here, and kayaking happens over here. So not much shopping or something to do over here, but restaurants definitely, guys. Lebanese, Italian, you see a lot of variety over here. So definitely, if you come to Doha, Qatar, be here. It's fun to do. But one thing I would suggest, that don't come here in the afternoon, guys. It's better to come late evening or at night, because this would be much more beautiful with the lights on. But right now I'm feeling the heat a lot, so just keep walking. And whenever you feel a lot of heat, go inside some store that they have made, or like a supermarket, so you don't feel, because everywhere from the inside it's air conditioned perfectly. The hotel that you see over there, that's the St. Regis. And if you check it online in December, compared to Dubai, guys, Qatar is much more cheaper if you want to stay, if you want to travel in prime time, because December is a good time, because you can't visit all these Middle Eastern places in April or May, because they are so hot. You cannot imagine 40-45 degrees on a normal day, guys, and it is very hard to survive over here in summers. So December, November, January is a good time to come here. So all these places, all these 5 stars that you see right now cost about 60 to 70,000 Indian rupees a night, which is very, very expensive. So apartments is a good option, or you can take your stay a little bit away from the city or the main center. The Pearl is actually very famous over here because of because it's near to the sea. It's like prime area. There's more to do with restaurants, with food and everything, and this is very happening. So there are some party places as well over here. There are shisha lounges over here. There are gaming arcades over here. So a lot of things to do on the Pearl as well. But if you want to stay somewhere, an apartment or a cheaper hotel is a good option, because you're going to be out most of the time. And if you want luxury, if you want spas, these hotels are good. But for now, everything is overpriced over here for all these hotels, because everything is booked, guys. Because some of the countries, foreigners like Russians or some of the Americans, don't mind spending on luxury, on like if it's Qatar or someplace else, because this is something else, guys. Just look at the hotel. It's on another island altogether. It's not joined to the Pearl. They have made an extension for the road, but it's a completely different island for this hotel, guys. Just have a look. It's an amazing hotel. Sitting at Pearl, Qatar over here, and having Lebanese food after a really long time, and having authentic Lebanese food from here. The food looks very cool. This is the baba ganoush. This is batata hara, hummus and pita bread. Let's dive into our food, guys. Let's see how it tastes. First time having Lebanese food in Qatar. Hope for the best. So there are two sides of the Pearl, guys. The one that we walked earlier, and now this side. This is actually known as the Venice of Qatar, guys. They have replicated everything from Venice, right from the canal, from the restaurants, everything. So have a look, guys. It looks breathtaking at night. Have a look. this is a very famous cafe called Volume, and just check out the library, guys. There is this full seating over here, and this like a private seating inside on the first floor, and the view of this Venice that they have made outside, that is incredible, so good, guys. Like just having a sip of coffee or from here and just drinking the best coffee, good desserts. You just saw there are strawberry tarts, some tiramisu, some lemon cake, lemon tarts. Amazing place, guys. Just check the view outside, it's breathtaking, lovely. I ordered this cappuccino. I love a good drawing with foam. And they gave me a complimentary churro as well. Mom's having vanilla ice cream. I'm gonna have this. Let's try this coffee, guys.
नाही खबर नाही लागली.